Lesson 2. Connecting 3 commas to Exchange via API. After you've successfully registered in 3 commas and enabled the 2-step authentication and the Telegram bot, got to know pricing plans and other info, you will need to connect it to Exchange in order to begin trading. Please keep in mind that the service supports exchanges from the list here. However, a half of them supports only the manual trading. But we are more interested in bots. Therefore, we will need to choose the exchange from the list that supports them. I recommend choosing Binance, since it has the biggest selection of cryptocurrency pairs. It is larger and has a good liquidity, and also a discount on commissions. Therefore, it's the best choice. There's also Binance Jersey and US for residents of those territories. Binance Exchange may not work in every country of the world. If that is the case for you, I would recommend creating an account on Bittrex. It's also a pretty decent exchange, fully in English, pretty simple to use. It is also quite large, a wide selection of currency pairs. It's an alright alternative overall. A 3 commas account allows connecting infinite amount of exchanges. I think that two or three are more than enough for you. In order to connect the exchange, click on your profile, then My Exchanges. Next, choose the exchange you'd like to connect. In this case, it's Binance. Then enter the name. It's useful in case you connect several exchanges. That way you won't get confused. Then you need to enter the API key and the API secret. In order to get them, you will need to visit your exchange. In your case, it's Binance Exchange. Click on your profile, then click API Management. Enter a label, for instance, 3 commas, then click Create. Enter Google Authentication Code or SMS. Keep in mind that without authentication, you won't be able to create API. Next, go to your email. Verify. Wait for a moment. Then simply copy keys. Copy the API key. Then paste it here. Then copy and paste the API secret. Now, let's talk security. As standard, such API restrictions are checked as read-only and enable trading. Never check these boxes. Enable withdrawals, inner transactions, marginal, and futures. The latter two can be used if necessary. The reason for that is that if you accidentally show these keys to anyone, they would be able to withdraw funds from your account. Don't worry, these keys are used only as a demonstration. I would also recommend using one key per service. So for instance, if you use TabTrader, you might want to create a separate key for it. This applies to other services as well. Click Connect an Exchange. And after the page is refreshed, there, the exchange has connected successfully. You will immediately see your balance. My primary balance is in Tether and some other stuff. Your daily and monthly income stats. These will change once you start trading. There's our cryptocurrency portfolio. Tether and Binance Coin, Bitcoin, etc. Also, there's this little confusing balance graph. Never mind it yet. It will also change once you start trading. Next, let's click on Dashboard. Here's the info on your active bots, your smart trades, as you can see there are none so far. Trader Pulse, which means that the user marks to buy, sell, or hold the currency. Here is the summary on your accounts. You can also monitor latest trends and their profit. There are various bots that you can examine, copy other users' configurations, and begin trading. But let's not do that just yet. There is info on your exchanges. Next up is Smart Trade, which is a manual trade terminal, which allows for earning more profit than using the regular exchange terminal. I will discuss its advantages later. Let's skip that at the moment. Next, there is a terminal version 2, which is in beta testing stage now. Next, there are DCA bots. These are bots that are configured manually. Create a bot. You will see Gordon, which is a more or less automatic bot. Just choose a strategy and create a bot. There's a more advanced bot, which is configured manually. It is more suitable for our purposes. When you will learn all functions and settings of bots, it will be easier to work with automated bots. Next, there are grid bots, which are also automatic bots. We will discuss them in a separate lesson. There is also a marketplace. It contains free and paid trading signals that can be connected to your bots. They are very different. You can look up their stats. You can see profits and losses here. There are also various communities for it, settings for the bot, fascinating stuff. There is a lot of these trading signals. For different exchanges as well. Portfolios. Here, you can monitor other users' portfolios, see their profits or losses in percent, daily or monthly, in US dollars, Bitcoin, etc. You can fave the portfolio, follow it, or delete it. It can be very handy. You can create your own portfolios. A very useful function. Then there's FAQ and Wiki, where you can find all the necessary info, Telegram chat, and other channels such as Discord, which is also pretty popular, YouTube, etc. Then, in order to begin trading, you will need to understand how exactly bots operate in long and short. We will discuss this in the next lesson.